Welcome back, teachers. We hope your school year is off to a great start. Here at Raising a Reader, we wanted to take a moment to share 4 tips with you to help you supercharge your program this year. Connecting with parents is key. Talk with parents at drop-off or pickup about the importance of reading and engaging with their young children to prepare them for success in kindergarten and beyond. Encourage them to read Raising a Reader books each week. Create a team mentality. We know that one of your top goals is to develop literacy and language skills in your students. You will be more successful if parents are a vital partner in this development. Emphasize how Raising a Reader is a tool for parents to reinforce the learning that is happening in the classroom. Build excitement. The purpose of the Red Bag launch is to send the child home excited about reading with parents. You can maintain the enthusiasm throughout the year by using Raising a Reader books for classroom activities and story times. This will encourage children to ask their parents to read the books at home and will provide a fun classroom activity. For example, on days when children return their bags, pull out a bag and ask the child who had that bag last what their favorite book was and why. Read the story aloud and ask other children what they like about it. Or have the child who had that book at home last week tell the story as you turn the pages. Take it to the next level. When parents are at school for a special event or conference, take the opportunity to talk more about Raising a Reader. Encourage parents to read each Raising a Reader book with their child at least once, and to let the children ask questions, make predictions, and react as they read together. Raising a Reader staff members are also happy to attend events to speak with parents. We look forward to working with you this year. Please don't hesitate to be in touch with any questions or concerns.